This is a Barton pendulum experiment. Barton's pendulums are a very good way of demonstrating forced vibrations and resonance in the laboratory. A heavy driving pendulum that is at the very end on my right, hanging from the cord, 6 other pendulums, each with a light paper cone as the bob. As the pendulum at the right end is swung, all the other pendulums begin to vibrate, but the pendulum that has the same length to the round pendulum has the greatest amplitude. Of resonance can be demonstrated by microwave ovens. Microwave ovens operate at a frequency of 2.45 GHz, and this is not the resonant frequency of a water molecule. This frequency is much lower than the diatomic molecule resonant frequencies mentioned earlier. If 2.45 GHz were the resonant frequency of water molecules, the microwaves would all be absorbed in the surface layer of a substance, and so the interior of the food will not get cooked at all.